Good morning and welcome to Data Explorer's daily video update for September the 18th. My name is Ruby McCormack. First, a look at today's market overview. The Desley Global 50, which tracks the change in short interest for the 50 largest global companies, was up by 4%. Japan also experienced a rise of 5%. Europe was up 4% and the UK was up by 3%. Asia fell by 12% and the US fell by 4%. Equity markets remained in positive territory ahead of quadruple witching, a situation where stock index futures, stock index options, stock options and single stock futures all expire on the same day. Oil remains flat and most other commodities rose. Now a look at upcoming earnings and economic announcements. In the US, there are no significant economic announcements anticipated, but we do expect earnings announcements from Texas Petrochemicals and CalWave Inc. A stock of interest in light of the improving global environment and the subsequent effect this may have on consumers is Amazon.com, where the short base has been falling over the past 3 months and now stands at 4%. In Europe, we expect earnings announcements from Mediobanca and Danieli & Co. The short base for Mediobanca stands at less than 1%, and the short base for Danieli & Co. has been rising recently and now stands at 4%. A stock of interest in light of Andaka's oil discovery off the coast of Sierra Leone is Repsol YPF, one of Andaka's partners. The short base for Repsol YPF stands at 2%. In Asia, the market will be digesting earnings announcements from China Resources Land and China High Speed Transmission. The short base for China Resources Land stands at just under 2%. The short base for China High Speed Transmission currently stands at just under 3%. That's the news for today. For more information, please go to our website at www.dataexplorers.com for detailed short base information on some of the stocks mentioned here today, and for any other stocks that have seen unusual shorting activity, please subscribe to our daily reports and research service at www.dataexplorers.com/e-mail. Thank you for listening and have a great day.